I went to MCM Comic Con in London at the end of May, and one of the places that I visited was Forbidden Planet, and from there I was able to get myself this. This is the Gundam Converge Eclipse Gundam. Now let's pop across to the desk, open it up and have a look, see what's in the box. So here we go, yet another Gundam Converge on the build desk. This is definitely becoming more of a regular thing than I was expecting, actually. I've actually been enjoying collecting this series a lot more than I thought I would. So let's have a look at this one today. So this is the Eclipse Gundam, and this is the 300th anniversary. So as far as I'm aware, this is the 300th Gundam Converge made from pack number 26 or set number 26. And yeah, compared to the normal Gundam Converge figures, instead of having like a photo of the actual item inside, we have the liner of what's inside instead. And yeah, it's a very fine looking package indeed. So without any further ado, let's slice open the bottom, open it up and see what's inside. And there we go, so the box is open. I always try to preserve the box as best that I can, not so much for the box itself, but I always want to try and keep this in very good condition. So instead of tearing and ripping it open, I slice it from the bottom. So with that being said, let's open up and have a look inside. So we've got a nice amount of goodies in here. We have the V-fin separate as always. We have the figure with its guns in one section, which is quite unusual to have lights on doubled up there. A couple of alternate hands, the base, ooh, the head. I didn't notice that because it's got such big sort of like fins on its head. The head actually comes as a complete separate bit, which you don't normally see. So yeah, there we go. Grab a knife. Let's open up these bags and see what's inside. Okay, so let's pop the well, say V-fin. There's more of a crest on this one, isn't it? On there, absolutely no idea what that is at this stage. No real idea. So those go on there. So obviously you could swap these out to have him hold those bits, but I think I'm probably going to have these fixed on the side like so. And let's get the head on. Tight fit. Wonder what that is. Ah, I see. Okay, so that's for, because it's got such strangely designed feet, that goes onto the foot, so you can actually get it onto the stand. That's quite unique. I haven't seen that one before, not that I've been massively collecting a lot of these figures. But yeah, there we go. So yeah, a couple of extra little hands there, and obviously the suit itself. A lot of nice design. I think the trouble with this one, where it's completely white almost, a lot of the design is kind of, excuse me, a lot of the design is kind of sort of like lost in that white. This is definitely one of the ones that could do with being panel lined, which is something that I may do at a later stage, not something I'm going to do right away. But yeah, that being said, that's a very fine looking figure indeed. Really enjoying this Gundam Converge figure line.